we have discussed all the adjustments, right?
Yeah.
First, we have discussed which one?
Accrued income.
Accrued expenses.
Oh yeah, expenses first.
Accrued expense, or you can call it expense owing. Say expense which belongs to current year but not paid by the end of the accounting year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next is
Prepaid expenses. So that's when you pay in advance before the work is being done.
yes, expense which belongs to the future but paid during the current year, right?
Yeah.
Third one, what we have discussed is
Accrued income.
accrued income. And what
Yeah.
is that?
So accrued income is when you've provided the service already, but you still haven't been paid for it.
Yeah, income which is earned but not received yet by the end of the accounting year, right?
Yeah.
And the last one
Yes.
is prepaid
Prepaid
income.
income.
Or
So
you
it's
can
when
say,
before you've done the work, you already have been paid in
yes.
advance.
So prepaid income means someone paid me the income in advance. Still the work is pending, right?
Yeah.
So the work will be done which year? This year or next year?
Prepaid income will be
I
done
got
next
the
year.
money, but work is not done. So work will be done when?
Next year.
Next year. So it means that income is actually related to the next year only, right? But we got
Yeah.
that money in advance. Now tell me, accrued expense is asset or liability?
Liability.
Good. So this understanding this asset and liability is important. Prepaid expenses,
Asset.
it is asset. Accrued income is
Asset.
yeah asset because we will be getting money in future, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And the prepaid income,
Also asset.
no, it is a
Oh,
liability.
no, liability
We
because we
got
owe.
the money, but we didn't do the work, right?
Yeah.
So we owe to that person. We have to complete the work for which we got the money in advance, right?
Yeah.
So this we need to understand which is asset and which is liability. Okay, so now I have taken one question from the past paper. Okay, so can you see the question here?
Yes.
Yeah, read out it.
Karishma runs her own business. The balance in her books on 1st October 2020 include the following.
So
Insurance account.
hold on, 1st October 2020 is the beginning date, opening date. So can you tell me what will be the last date? 2021.
September
Yeah,
30th.
September
30th.
31st. Okay.
Isn't it 30th?
Yeah, October 31st. Yeah, September 30, correct.
Yeah.
So this is the beginning date and this is the last date,
And
right?
yeah. Yes.
So on the beginning date, these two accounts are there. Which is the first account?
Insurance.
How much money?
17,000 prepaid.
It is 1700.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, 1,700.
Prepaid. It means we paid this expense in advance, right? So it is actually what? Asset.
Yes.
The opening balance will come which side?
Debit.
And closing balance will come?
Credit.
Credit. Now next account we have what? Electricity account, 1800 owing. Owing means
Yeah.
this expense owing.
Yeah.
So it is a liability, right?
Yeah.
So opening liability will come which side?
Credit.
And closing liability? Debit.
Debit.
Okay, now read out the next line.
Okay. During the financial year ended 30 September 2021, Karishma made the following payments by check. Insurance payment,
So
7
she made
February.
insurance payment twice in the year,
Yeah.
right? And
Yeah.
electricity expenses she made 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay. Now read out the next last paragraph.
A refund of $300 for insurance overpaid was received by bank transfer on 28th February 2021. The insurance paid on 13 August 2021 covered a period of 5 months to 31st December 2021. At 30th September 2021, an amount of 2,000 was owing for electricity.
So actually the requirement is what? We need to prepare insurance account and electricity account, right?
Yeah.
So let me prepare date, detail, amount, date, detail, amount. Let me draw the format. Yeah. Now see insurance account prepaid. So it is asset now. So it will come on debit side opening balance 2020 and October 1st. Right?
Yeah.
I will write here balance brought down. How much dollar? 1,700. Clear? Fine. Okay. Now electricity account 1,800 owing. So it is a liability. Right?
Yeah.
Opening balance I will show on the credit side. Balance brought down. How much dollar? 1,800. Now see, during the year, Karisma paid following payments. So she paid twice now for insurance. So first she paid 2021 and which date? Feb 7 she paid. Okay, so she paid by check, right? So it means bank will come. And why I am writing debit side?
Because expense is increasing, so increase in expense.
Good. Increase in expense, debit. So that's why I'm writing on the debit side. Clear? Then next again she paid on 13th August 2021. So 2021 is already there. August 13th she paid. Again bank, how much dollar? 3,500. Right?
Yeah.
Now same thing we need to record for electricity account also, in the electricity account. So see, but she paid on 14th October. 1st October we just started, after 13 days she paid that money. And here also it is showing, wait, it is 1,800. It is showing the date. Let me convert it into the numbers. Yeah, now fine. So what I will do, payment now, so expenses will increase. Increase in expense debit side. So 2020 October 14 she paid. And this is also by check, so I will write bank 1,800. It means she has cleared this old due. This was pending now on the beginning date.
Yeah.
So she paid that. In this year she paid that. Okay, then next she paid 2021. Which date? Jan 24, right?
Yes.
How much money this time?
1,800.
Then she paid on May 26, 2021, May 26. Bank, how much? Again 1,800. Right?
Yeah.
So far we have recorded the opening balances and we have recorded the payment made during the year, right?
Yes.
So during the year we paid 300 extra actually for insurance. So that money is refunded. So when I paid, I wrote on debit side, right?
Yeah.
So refund will come on credit side. Clear?
Yeah.
2021 Feb 28. So it means this our paid money is here actually, right?
Yeah.
The money I paid 300 extra is part of this 3,400 because this money I paid in the month of August, right?
Yeah.
So it means before August already we got the refund. It means that 300 is part of this 3,400. Here instead of paying 3,100, I paid 3,400. It means, right?
Yeah.
I am supposed to pay only 3,100, isn't it? But I paid how much?
34.
So 300 extra I paid, na?
Yeah.
So that money I will get. So bank 300 I got. Any doubt in this?
No.
Wait. Yeah. Now what I will do? Okay, now read out this, the insurance paid.
The insurance paid on 13th August 2021 was covered a covered a period of 5 months to 31st December 2021.
It means they are referring to this money, right?
Yeah.
This is the money we paid on 13th August, right?
Yeah.
How much money did I pay?
3,500.
3,500. And I paid for how many months?
For wait.
Check the statement.
5.
This 3,500 is for 5 months. So can you tell me how much per month?
700.
700 is per month, right?
Yeah.
And our year is ending on which date?
It's ending on September 30th.
But this 3,500 is paid till December, na?
Yeah.
So after September, it means Karisma had paid this money after September also. September, October, November, and December.
Yeah.
It means he paid money for 3 months extra.
Yeah.
She paid for 5 months, right? Out of these 5 months, 3 months are these, which are falling in the next year. Because our year will over by which date?
30th September.
But she paid for 5 months, and those 5 months are ending on December. It means after September, after year end, there is October, November, December, 3 months extra, right? So that is prepaid actually. It means she paid for these 3 months, which are falling in the next year. So it is prepaid, right?
Yeah.
So how much prepaid? Per month I know 700, 700, 700. So total how much extra she paid?
2,100.
Prepaid, na?
Yeah.
So it is opening prepaid or closing prepaid?
Opening. Oh, no, sorry. End of year, so closing. Sorry.
Closing, na? So opening came debit side, now closing. Don't you think it will come credit side?
Yeah.
So September last date, I will write like this. Balance carried it down. How much money? 21. Got it? Opening asset came debit side, closing will come credit side. Clear?
Yes.
Now compare both the side. And the difference will go to which account?
Income statement.
So let me make total of debit side is more. So the total is this. Same amount I will write here. Okay, and the difference I will write above the closing balance. So 8,600 minus 300 and minus this 2,100, right?
Yeah, 6,200.
6,200. Now it will go to where?
Income statement.
Income statement. Date, last date, September 30. Any doubt, tell me so far in this. No. Now, for electricity, read out the last line, what they are telling.
At 30th September 2021, an amount of 2,000 was owing for electricity.
Owing means liability, right?
Yeah.
So opening liability we wrote on which side? Credit side?
Credit. So closing will be
Closing will come on the debit. September 30th, right? Last date. Balance carried down. How much dollar? $2,000. Clear?
Yeah.
Now find out the difference. So see,
debit side is more.
Yeah, debit side is more. So first let me make the total of the debit side. Debit side total is this much. 7,400, same amount I will write here, 7,400, and from this I will subtract 1,800. So this
that's
will
going to be the
income statement, and the date will be September 30th. Clear?
Yeah.